You're going to hold, I have a slam ball here, you can use a med ball, even a dumbbell or a kettlebell would work. But you want to hold at your chest level, so standing up, feet just about shoulder width apart, and you're going to squat, dropping your hips down in line with your knees. Make sure you're sitting back. I don't want your toes pushing over your knees pushing over your toes with that squat portion. But you squat down, and you're going to lift straight up overhead with the med ball. Squat back down, and you do a rotation this time, lifting up at an angle, lifting the ball up to the ceiling. Squat back down, and then you're going to do twist to the other side, lift up, and back, and up. Sit down deep with it, and do that little bit of a rotation each time you come up. So going one side, up to the middle, to the other side, counts as one rep. So squat down, lift, down, center, down, and up, and that's one rep. Then you would start for your second one. And that's the three-way med ball squat.